When I first started in film photography, nobody told me that everyone edits their film scans. And if you want your photos to go from looking like this to looking like this, you're gonna have to edit your film scans. So let me show you exactly how I edit my film scans. So as you can see, the photo actually looks really faded, and not a lot of people tell you this, but what you can do is come to your tone curve and bring it up to where the information starts on this graph. Then you'll go to the next color and then the next color, bring them all up, and you can see that the contrast is coming back. We don't want to just come over here and crank the contrast. That really just is not a great practice and kind of overall adjusts the contrast, but we only want to adjust where we're missing information on the graph. Next, I actually have this preset that I've already pre-made, which is available for download in the description. And super simple, all it is highlights and the whites, making sure we're not completely blown out, bringing up the saturation and bringing down the vibrance so we aren't overcooking the colors. And this really just helps pull out the qualities of film. Next, one of my favorite things to do is to go to color grading, and I've already saved it as a preset. Basically, it brings the warmth all the way to the right, and this is very much more a real world depiction of how it looked. But as you can see, just with a few clicks, our film scan already looks like it has come to life. Editing film is completely different from digital, but should be done on every single one of your shots. And if someone tells you otherwise, it is photography, it's an art form, so really, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. However, if you want to learn about more mistakes that you may be making, like not editing your film scans, watch this next video.